All right, let's jump right into this explainer. So we're figuring out if the incredibly popular, compact, all-in-one Bowflex Xtreme 2SE is actually the right match for your specific fitness goals. Now look, the Bowflex is famous for a very good reason. It packs a ton of exercise potential into a really tight footprint. But as with any piece of gear, one size absolutely never fits all. So today, we're breaking down the top alternatives out there to make sure you're investing in the absolute right equipment for your space, your body, and most importantly, your long-term routine.
Which brings us to the big question. Is the Bowflex Xtreme 2SE really the right fit for your home? See, while it offers that famously smooth power rod resistance and lets you swap between exercises without constantly messing with cables, there's a bit of a catch. Not everybody actually likes that specific elastic feel. If you're someone who's spent years lifting in commercial gyms, that progressive kind of bungee cord tension might honestly feel a bit alien to you.
Just look at the fundamental difference here. On one side, we've got the Bowflex power rods. These are fantastic if you want a quiet, super smooth, and highly elastic movement. They're great for your joints and perfect for keeping the noise down in an apartment. But on the flip side, you have traditional weight stacks. These give you that heavy, direct, familiar gravity-based pull. So right out of the gate, you have to decide, do you want the quiet, progressive feel of the rods or the direct, familiar resistance of a literal stack of iron? To help you figure that out, we've mapped these alternatives directly to your needs. Here's our agenda. First, why seek an alternative? Then we'll look at traditional weight stack options, followed by budget and space savers, options for serious heavy lifters, and we'll wrap the whole thing up with the ultimate buyer checklist.
Okay, let's kick things off with Section 1, why seek an alternative, and the 5 selection criteria.
When you're evaluating any home gym, you really need to filter your options through these 5 specific criteria. First up, resistance type. Like we just talked about, do you want rods, plates, or maybe even body weight? Second is required space. And hey, a machine might look compact, but remember you need room to actually pull the cables and move your arms around. Third is exercise variety, but specifically for movements you'll actually do. Fourth, ease of setup. And fifth, overall value for money. Keep these 5 in the back of your mind, because buying a home gym that doesn't fit your actual lifestyle, well, that usually just turns into a very expensive clothes rack.
Moving right along to Section 2, traditional weight stack options and the familiar gym feel.
If you're after that traditional feel, the Body-Solid G1S really stands out as our best overall alternative. It runs on a 160-pound selectorized weight stack and features those highly familiar press arm and pulley stations you're used to seeing at the local health club. Basically, if you want the all-in-one compactness of the Bowflex, but you absolutely crave the feeling of real weights clinking together while you lift, this is for sure your prime candidate.
But let's talk trade-offs. On the pro side, it is incredibly simple to use. You just pull the pin, drop it in your weight, and get to lifting. No rods to bend, no heavy plates to lug around, plus it gives you really solid exercise coverage for the whole body. However, keep in mind that even though it's compact for a multi-gym, it still takes up a permanent, sizable chunk of your floor. Also, it might cost a bit more than entry-level machines, and that 160-pound max weight, well, it might not be quite enough if you're a really strong lifter trying to max out your chest press.
Now, if you have a slightly higher budget and you want that traditional feel but with a real touch of luxury, the Inspire Fitness M3 is a fantastic premium choice. The real game changer here is its independent press arms. That means you can actually work each side of your chest or shoulders individually, which is huge for preventing muscular imbalances. It delivers a highly refined, super predictable traditional machine experience with a remarkably smooth pulley action. It's basically commercial-grade quality sitting right there in your spare bedroom.
All right, let's shift gears to Section 3, budget and space savers and practical solutions.
For the budget-conscious beginner, the Marcy MWM-988 is just a massive win. It gives you a 150-pound vinyl-coated weight stack that completely covers your basic chest, back, and leg movements. You get a dual-function press arm, a lap bar, and a leg developer. Basically, it delivers that classic home gym experience without emptying your wallet or forcing you to buy a dozen separate, annoying attachments.
We do need to manage our expectations a bit here, though. Budget gyms like the Marcy are definitely not designed for advanced lifters who want to push serious weight progression over a long period of time. They are strictly for beginners to intermediates. You also might find that putting it together requires a good bit of patience, and the long-term smoothness of those cables can fluctuate a bit compared to a high-end model. But hey, if your goal is just basic fitness and toning up at home, it's perfect. If you're training for a powerlifting meet, yeah, you'll definitely need to look elsewhere.
Now, what if floor space is your absolute #1 priority? Well, check this out. The Total Gym XLS takes a totally different approach. It completely ditches the heavy iron stack and the elastic rods. Instead, it uses an adjustable incline system with a sliding glide board, meaning you are literally using your own body weight as the resistance. It's honestly fantastic for full body workouts, mobility work, and lighter strength training.
Just look at the foldable bodyweight design of the Total Gym compared to a massive permanent multi-gym. This is a total game changer for apartments or shared living spaces. You get a much less intimidating, highly versatile full-body system that can actually fold right up. You can literally hide it away under a bed or in a closet when you're done. Just like that, you get your floor space back.
Okay, let's turn it up a notch with Section 4 for serious heavy lifters and beyond basic iron. If standard weight stacks max out way too fast for you, the Powertec Workbench LeverGym is a phenomenal alternative. This beast uses a leverage-style design where you load actual Olympic weight plates right onto the machine. This gives you access to over 40 exercises with a much more serious raw strength training feel. It's safer than free weights because the path of motion is guided for you, but man, it feels infinitely closer to real lifting than cables or rods ever could. Or if you're looking for a true garage gym centerpiece that completely changes the game, you've got to see the Force USA G3. This isn't just a home gym. It combines a power rack, a functional trainer with dual cable pulleys, and a Smith machine into one absolute beast of a footprint. This is literally the ultimate all-in-one system for a serious lifter because it will absolutely grow with you as your strength explodes. Now, the crucial point here is understanding the hidden costs and the sheer requirements of these heavy-duty setups. The trade-off is pretty significant. You have to be prepared to buy your own weight plates because, surprise, they usually aren't included. You also need massive floor space, proper ceiling clearance for pull-ups, heavy-duty rubber floor bats, and obviously a significantly larger starting budget. But for the truly serious lifter, that investment definitely pays off in pure, unadulterated gains. Before you buy anything, let's hit Section 5, the ultimate buyer checklist and reality check.
Walk through these 6 steps with me really quick. Step 1. You absolutely must measure your real workout area. Don't just look at the footprint of the machine itself. Measure the actual space you need to safely pull the cables and move your arms and legs around it. Step 2. Confirm your resistance preference. Are you team rods, stacks, or plates? Step 3. Check the height and weight limits so you don't feel cramped. Step 4. Verify that warranty because replacement parts really do matter. Step 5. Do the math on hidden costs like delivery fees and extra plates. And step 6, always read current customer complaints to spot any recurring headaches with assembly or missing parts. Trust me, doing this checklist now will save you a massive headache later on.
All right, time for the final verdict and matchmaking summary.
Feel free to grab a quick screenshot of this matchmaking matrix. It perfectly distills everything we've covered to definitively match the right machine to the exact right person. If you're a traditionalist who craves that classic gym feel, the Body-Solid G1S is hands down your best overall bet. Watching your wallet, the Marcy MWM-988 is a fantastic starting point. If you want that buttery, premium smoothness, grab the Inspire M3. Stuck in a tiny apartment, the Total Gym XLS is an absolute lifesaver. And if you're out there chasing serious heavy strength, the Powertec LeverGym or the Force USA G3 are your absolute champions.
I want to leave you with this final, incredibly important thought. Ask yourself, are you buying a home gym for the impressive features that look super cool in a photo, or are you buying it for the routine you'll actually stick to? Ultimately, the absolute best alternative to the Bowflex isn't the one with the most pulleys or the heaviest stack of iron. It's simply the one you will use consistently week in and week out. So which of these setups truly fits your daily life and your training style? Figure that out and you've found